Perfect. That a girl? That a girl? What could you do, Shuggy? Baby, what could you do? Show what you could do. Baby.
Just trying to get your bread.
Baby. Hey. Baby. Can you play with the ball, please? You're hella cute up close. Baby, hey, no, 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 no,
She
no,
wants
no.
your bread.
No, 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 no. Excuse me. Cinnamon. Show what you could do. Come on, girls. Show us what you could do. Babies. My little babies. Okay, hey, 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 hey,
Why are
hey.
you eating the bars?
Here. Play
Did
with
you
this.
miss me while I was gone? Did you miss me to go talk? Come talk to me, Shugs.
The zebra cake tunnel. Baby. Hey, 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 get down. Hey, hey, get down, baby.
How you doing, Shitty Minnie? Go in the tunnel. There she goes. Where is Cinnamon? Where's Cinnamon?
Look how cute you girls are. So cute up close. How you doing? Baby? I can't really see because my armpit's in the way. Okay. Should you go get a ball? Baby. Oh.
She dropped the phone.
The Adventures of Guinea Pigs. Look at them, they're so cute.
Get the ball. Get the ball, pretty girl. Get the ball, Shugs. Ow. There goes the teeth. Get the ball, pretty girl. Hi. Oh, hello, pretty. Oh, you're such a good girl. I know. What's going on? Hey, what's going on? Hi, what's going on, pretty girl? What's going on? That they didn't like the bum touch. How come she's doing that to her nose? A good close up. Okay.
Well, there. You're cute, Shuggy.
That shows. Good close up. She's like, what is that? Can I eat it? Look at the good pictures, Timmy Minnie.
You guys are really sweet. You guys are really sweet. Okay, come on. Okay, so today we're doing another foot peel. We're gonna try this one this time, since the other one was good, but I don't know, it made some weird spots like on the ankle and some on the bottom, so we're soaking it for 10 to 20 minutes. I got my little friends watching, a nice little bucket, and we'll continue the progress soon. Okay, it's been about that time. No babies. No, 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 no. Okay, so I just cut the two, and we're gonna try this out, and within a couple days I'll do the other video, and we'll see how this one works. I am getting more in mail from eBay, so I'll post those ones soon also, but